making your own pancake, your own waffle?
Bye.
Where you going? Your waffle done. Hot.
Hot, Bobby.
Let me see. You, oh, you got it. Okay, a little. Just a little. All right, good job. You made your own breakfast. She went and got the stool, y'all, and said, wait, let me do it. All right.
Alright.
You got it?
Got it.
All right.
What?
That's your second one. And for breakfast, I made me a green smoothie. We are on the Daniel fast. So that's my breakfast. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Say hey.
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 Q basic. Hey.
Hey.
Yeah, I'm basic.
Anyhow, y'all, Tony and I have been on this Daniel fast since the beginning of the year.
Yep.
Y'all, we've been eating, the one we've been doing has been like eating plant-based, no meats of course, drinking only water, no alcohol, and we actually been doing pretty good. What say you, Bob?
It's going great. Great.
We've been doing really good, y'all. So I haven't been vlogging it. I should have started at the beginning, but I didn't. So, but today I found a recipe, like somewhat of a fried catfish or a fried fish, so to say, but it's with banana blossoms. So Tony went and got the banana blossoms, and we finna try this out, y'all. So what is it? What it look like? Y'all see that?
Take it out the package at least. We got a fresh one. You can also get it in the can.
Yeah, I was looking for the can, but when he went to the you can only find it. It says at Asian markets and at Amazon, and it says can, and he done dropped it. It says get canned banana blossom in water, but hey, we got the
Organic raw, the raw one.
the raw one.
Yeah.
So we finna cut it up. We got fish fries, seaweed, just egg for our batter and baste or whatnot. But we gonna y'all come go with us while we prepare this banana blossom.
Yes. The seeds.
Look at it, y'all.
It got seeds in it.
You know this some of it too, right?
I think it is. I was looking at that. We like it when you get to this part. It is.
And we're going to use some good old fish fry, seaweed, and just egg. And of course we got our seasoning over there. We're going to use some black pepper, some slap your mama sauce, some oh baby, and then some lemon pepper. So we're going to use that, and we're going to put it all together.
And how do you make that choice? Didn't make it any easier.
So y'all, we done. We're about to taste it. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. What's that?
This is just the inside.
All right, we tasting it, y'all.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. The actual flavor is good. I think if we had the can, it would have been a little bit better. But I see.
Yeah, they don't want that, huh?
What you think?
I'm not a fish person. It ain't nasty.
I can see if you plant-based or vegan, you would, and you want fish, you know?
You'll get something similar to that simmer.
Yeah.
I think also we got the canned one.
Yeah, we're gonna try the can
A
one.
little bit more better.
Well, I'm still eating. I guess he not.
No, I didn't
Ain't
say
nobody
that.
got time for that.
I didn't say that. I know we was asking questions.
I'm still gonna eat it. Are you gonna eat it?
Sure.
I made some okra and some fries, so hey, here's what it is. Okay, so hey y'all, the banana blossom
Was awesome. It was awesome.
did not turn out according to plan.
It was awesome.
I think we should have got the can instead of the actual raw one. Yeah, we didn't know what to do, but the flavor was good. Tony didn't like it at all, so he decided he could.
I'm just not a fish person like that. I like fish. I like salmon. I like certain fish. You know, that ain't my thing.
No, that's understandable. But he finna make him a what you making?
This is gonna be a veggie fajita.
A veggie fajita.
Nah,
Fajita.
What's it called?
What?
Quesadilla. A veggie quesadilla.
Oh, veggie.
Spinach, jalapenos, onions, bell pepper. Look at spinach, it's kale. Sorry.
Kale
And mushrooms.
and mushroom.
Yeah. I'm gonna saute it all down and then put it into a tortilla shell. I'm gonna use regular cheese, so that's about it. But I got like a spinach shell, so I'm doing.
Okay. But anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and tell somebody about me. Why don't you? Bye-bye.